Hello, this is a tutorial for the application Sphaeroptica, a 3D viewer of calibrated images. The goal of Sphaeroptica is to allow geometric measurements on objects where, due to certain of their characteristics, the 3D model can be used for scientific purposes. Sphaeroptica allows you to make these measurements directly on the images. This tutorial will go through to all the functionalities of Sphaeroptica, and this is the first part, how to create a project file. Let's start with the data folder, where we can see that there are three types of information. First, there are all the images that were taken around the objects. In this case, we took 180 of them. Then we have the intrinsic parameter file saved in XML format. We can see here the camera matrix and here the distortion coefficients. And the extrinsic parameter file saved in the JSON format. You can see here the image and here the matrix. And so for each image, you have the extrinsic matrix. When you click on Create New Project, you have a new pop-up window that appears. First thing you have to do is to select the image directory. In this case, it's this one. Then we have to select the intrinsic and extrinsic files that we have shown before. Finally, you can select the folder that contains thumbnails of the images, and these will be used for the virtual camera. If this folder has already been created, you can simply check this box and select it, but you can see that it is not our case. So we'll simply let Sphaeroptica select it for us. We save the project as we want, and then we can see that Sphaeroptica is creating all the files. After all this process, this is how the data folder looks like. We can see again all the pictures, the extrinsic file and the intrinsic file. Now we have the project file also saved as a JSON, and we have the folder with all the thumbnails. And then we arrive at the first screen of Sphaeroptica. We can see here the virtual camera, and we'll show all its functionalities and how it works in the next video.